Talk. I just already not always talk. I never talk to Lawrence Villawan. I talk to my Russian friend Sasha. I already blocked Best Pills Arnel Castillo when he talked to me in TikTok live. Ah yes, I block him. But usually for me, I do not want to start a fight in social media. Because this asshole Best Pills Arnel Castillo, he had Kuya Mel Nixon Castro in the group chat. Give me a break, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo. Do not add Kuya Mel Nixon Castro in group chats. You know, for me, Best Pills, I know you were being sued by Kuya Mel Nixon Castro. Oh, he filed a complaint affidavit against you. Why? He will go to barangay because he will go to barangay in Commonwealth and then he will check the complaint affidavit to the barangay chairman and the barangay captain. This is why, and I am warning you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo Jr., you have to stop fighting. Oh, at least you and Kuya Mel Nixon Castro, both of you have a hearing in barangay, in Commonwealth. At least both of you are uh, both of you have a hearing And there's Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. At least you can say about what is going on or what is the fight in social media. I'm not picking a fight, Best Pills. Arnel Castillo. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I know you are being act yourself stupid. You should stop yourself being your dumb. That is really kind of stupidity. Oh, you don't know what is a viable lesson in social media, Best Pills? Huh? For me, if you try to add Ma'am Jessa Fernandez in group chat, Best Pills, she will get angry at you. You know Ma'am Jessa Fernandez. You know Calvin Cuevas. Calvin Cuevas, he's gonna beaten you. He knows about Muay Thai. He knows about Taekwondo. That I do that from me and Bam Hernando in 2017. Oh, eh, when I started using a Facebook, do you know about side of Taekwondo? Do you know, remember Muay Thai Aikido, Muay Thai or soccer punch of Batang Quiapo, Tanggol, he will beaten you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. You are really an hypocrite. You are really a bully. And now you see what happened to yourself, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Ma'am Jessa Fernandez has a Twitter account. She saw your pornography in Twitter. And you post the pornography in Twitter. Your Twitter account is ACGJ Channel Arnel Castillo Guerrera Jr. That is your Twitter account. She is very angry at you. Even everyone are angry at you. Even Teacher Ruti Barrientos, even everyone are angry at you because you didn't learn how to stop. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, you have to stop what you're doing. You're not a kid anymore. Like Patrick Kison says to you, he already blocked you on Facebook. Thanks to Patrick Kison, I chat Patrick Kison in Facebook, in the chat, in Messenger. I told him, Patrick, bro, don't be friends with Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. Oh, he already knows. So this is why I don't want to say to you, Best Pills.